Thank you. I'm Moka Lantum. I'm the CEO of CheckUps. We're headquartered in Nairobi. I would first of all say this program has been the most authentic program that I've experienced in terms of coaching and acceleration. I'll compare it to like home cooked food compared to the restaurant food. You know, it could be the same chicken, but the one that your mother cooks has something in it. It has a soul that makes it very nice. And this is how this feels. It is authentic and it allows you to open your mind to explore what you had never thought of. That is creating an enterprise that becomes one of the icons on the continent. It's a program that is very centered on solving Africa's biggest problems. And so we feel extremely privileged to be part of this cohort. Personally, our company has benefited from the strategy and advice to develop an enterprise growth plan. It's something we hadn't talked about or even considered before coming into this program. Now we have a clear line of sight on what's possible with an enterprise strategy. And so we feel extremely fortunate to have been supported, to have been part of this group. The peers, the other companies in the group are fantastic. So we've learned a lot from each other because of the environment. We're literally living with each other, spending a lot of time with each other, having fun with each other, and then you get to learn what each other is doing. And so it's been all in all a fantastic experience.